Hello guys, greetings from IPSF. As most of you guys are very much interested in taking IPA membership but are facing few issues with that, so here I'm gonna show you a quick detour of IPA membership on online. So first you need to go into our IPA Pharma.org, which is an IPA official website. So here you can see our IPA official website. Scroll down the bottom of this website. Here you can see the join now. Tap that. So here you can see the type of memberships which are available on IPA, and if you click this document, here you can see all the type of memberships and type of criteria you need to meet for that particular membership. And I generally prefer this lifetime IPA membership. Why? Because this is having an validity of 15 years from your date of joining. And next you go here and click this online. So here I have filled it clearly. See guys, see you need to enter your name, your last name, which are like mandatory fields, and your date of birth, your email ID, and your qualification. So here I have selected this lifetime membership. You can also choose to take ordinary membership, which is 1180, but I have told you why IPA lifetime membership is useful, right? So I just prefer of taking that. So here you need to upload your picture, choose your file, the next year of your passport, blood group, and mailing address is very important guys. Why? Because you will be receiving the IPA ID card and also your Pharma Times to the mailing address what you have provided in the website. And next you need to enter your PIN code and your mobile number, profession, designation, name of your institution, address, and your PIN code. And here we just require two of the IPA lifetime members references. So I have entered two of the references, but you also have a choice of asking your principal or else like your faculty who are IPA lifetime members to give you the references. And next you need to select the state. I have selected the Andhra Pradesh, and next you need to select the branch, and next what is your divisional preference. I just preferred hospital, and you need to check this, and after that you need to submit. Right after you submit that, you will be displayed with the options like a credit card and debit card. If you pay that, next you will be getting a mail from an IPA in this similar pattern. See here your IPA membership ID will be mentioned. So if you tap this PDF, clearly you can see what is validity of your IPA membership, and this is your IPA membership ID, and here it is a fair breakup clearly being explained. And that's it guys. And if you are having any more queries, mention in the comment section below. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.